Mm. Mm. Yeah, that's nice. Yeah. Mm-hmm. 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 Well, they're kids. I don't do thank you cards either. They're kids. I don't do thank you cards either. Yeah, I don't know. I don't think kids really think of thank you cards. Really? Mm. 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 Mhm. 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 Yeah. 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 Mm. Mhm. Yeah. Mm. Mhm. Yeah. Mhm. Mm. Oh shit. Mhm. 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 Mm. Really? Yeah. Mhm. Mhm. Yeah, she's nice.
Call 1-800-416-4313 to order your 2-in-1 Shark Back Then Steam. That's
Yeah.
1-800-416-4313 or visit www.backthensteam.com. Call them.
The biggest issue with carrying with our hardwood floors and our
Oh my
laminates
gosh.
are the moisture that can ruin any type of wood. It's been very hard for me to tell my customers exactly how to clean them
Oh, okay.
efficiently because
Oh,
you got to really
okay.
be careful
Okay.
with them. Hardwood floors, you should always vacuum them before you do any mopping with them, only because the least little bit of grit will act like a sandpaper on any hard surface that you're cleaning. Back and steam is the way to go. This floor here in our commercial wood area that we have gets a lot of traffic. Look at how easy this is coming out. It is so simple now to clean these floors. It's so simple it almost makes it fun. This is the answer I can now give my customers.
Something else that's very important about a steam mop is how fast the floors dry when you use it. First, I'm going to turn our back then steam into a steam mop, flip the switch. What I want to show you here is what happens on the floors with our steam mop and a competing steam mop. Watch how fast the floors dry. You don't want to have puddles of water on your beautiful wood floors, do you?
Everybody knows that water is terrible for hardwood floors.
Look at this. We dry in seconds. This is truly cleaning you can live with.
This is a serious vacuum cleaner. Just love how quick it pulls everything up. I just go up one way and it's gone. And it's so light. This Shark vacuum steam is amazing. It's like the best invention ever. For safety reasons, it will not steam unless this plate is attached. Once it steams up, it just picks up whatever's left and sanitizes my floors, my family. I'm just going to be walking on beautiful, clean floors.
Elizabeth, most people are really looking to deep clean and sanitize their bathroom floors.
Sure, this is one of the places where we often use those harsh chemicals.
Now with the Shark Back and Steam. But first, we got some pairs of easy parts to pick up.
All right.
Look how easy that is.
My bathroom does not drip as well.
This is designed to clean your hard floors.
Works great.
Now we're going to have you use the Shark Back and Steam as mop.
Great.
We have this new fresh breeze scent that you can just spray on the mirror of the pad. Watch this. Now when the steam mop gives out that steam, you're going to get that terrific fresh scent.
And I just lay it right on top here.
As easy as that.
Okay, and then there's a switch, right?
Flip the switch.
Turn it on.
Now before you get going, let me show you something. Can you turn down the lights for a second? Now you can see what very well might be common household germs like E. coli, even flu viruses like H1N1. Now the surfactant steam can kill over 99% of common household bacteria like Salmonella, E. coli, even flu viruses.
Okay, with the black light, we can really see how well it's working on that invisible dirt.
Exactly. Now you can see what's really happening. No harsh chemical.
Okay, thanks for watching, guys.
Sanitize